Hi, I'm Brian Glass. I'm an engineer here at Newborn. I'm going to go through our new 860 series dual component pneumatic guns. They are the combo trigger guns, and I'm going to go through some specific things with you today, and probably one of the biggest things that the video will help on is how to rotate the trigger if you so choose. Out of the box, you're going to have it in this horizontal suitcase style grip. And the beauty of this gun is that even with a cartridge in, I can rotate it to a vertical pistol style grip. But like I said, the thing that's going to be nice is if somebody wants to buy this gun and predominantly have it in the pistol style grip like this and have the frame facing, the opening of the frame facing upwards, I'm going to go through how to rotate this, this innovative trigger design. So the gun comes with two different triggers, and that's so you can do the horizontal or suitcase grip or the vertical pistol style grip. So you've got one that on the pistol grip you activate with your finger, and the suitcase style is with the thumb trigger. Comes with an air regulator built into the trigger, has a forward reverse switch built into the trigger as well, and that allows you to advance or retract the push discs and rods. And what you're going to do is, like I said, it comes out of the box set up as the predominantly suitcase style. You're going to load your cartridge in the back into the cartridge stabilizing plate first, slide your locking pin in, and what you'll do is you'll engage the pistons or seals in the back of your cartridge slightly by hitting your trigger. And now you're ready to do any kind of work below the waist very comfortably. What's nice about this is in seconds I can rotate the whole gun and utilize the pistol grip trigger, and with the pressure that's been developed, that you put just a little bit of pressure on the back of the pistons or seals in the cartridge, the locking pin, and our patented cartridge stabilizing plate, this cartridge is going to stay in position, allow you to do above the waist work. So again, if you're doing work below the waist, you hold it like this and you can do the work very comfortably. If you have any work that all of a sudden you've got to do above the waist, you just rotate it simply like that and you're ready to go. Now, some people may want to change this gun over to be predominantly a pistol grip style. That would be like this. But what they also want is the frame opening to be facing upward. And you can do that in about a minute with our unique design on our rotating combo trigger and valves. And I'm going to go through that next on how you rotate that whole system. First step you're going to do is there's two tabs on the side of this forward reverse switch cover. Press them in and slide your cover off, exposing the forward reverse switch and the air line into the forward reverse switch. Simply disconnect that. Now taking a 4mm Allen wrench, just loosen these 4 Allen screws just enough to loosen the collar system. Don't unscrew them all the way. Make sure it should be pretty good. Just enough, and you'll see why you just loosen it enough. And now I just simply slide this collar system down. Keep an eye on your air hose, and then you rotate the forward reverse switch and this combo trigger system together. And the reason that you can do that is because of the way we designed our valves in the front and back. The seals remain intact, but you can rotate these. It's a very, very innovative design. And then the way I do it is I lean it into my chest like this, and I get everything lined up the way I want. Make sure your forward reverse brass knob is centered, otherwise it can get in the way when you're sliding this up. And I simply slide it up until it locks into place. And you'll find it's kind of like a puzzle piece. You'll see if it's not set right. And then while holding it there, make sure it's straight. Yep. Tighten your 4 Allen screws. Got those two. And you probably want to hand tighten these. I'm using an electric, but you probably want to take an Allen key, and I won't go through all of it, but just tighten those down. Don't over tighten them. Now I'm going to reconnect my forward reverse switch, just like that. And then I take my forward reverse switch cover, and while pressing the tab slightly in, I'm going to slide them down. Make sure everything's lined up. Yep, okay. Now, it's very important when you put your cover back on that this clicks into place, and you'll see that the tab's not below, not angled in, but it actually pops out. And inside this little slot, you won't be able to see it in the video, but once you're doing this yourself, you want to make sure that little clip pops up into place. Otherwise, what could happen is take it back off, this forward reverse switch air line could come a little bit loose, and you could have some slight air leakage. But as long as you push that in and lock this all the way down, you should be good to go. And now we'll see that I can pick it up, and I have it in the vertical or pistol grip style, and my cartridge frame is open towards the top. But the beauty of this gun is that you can go from vertical or pistol style and to horizontal or suitcase style without any changeovers. Well, thanks for tuning in. Hopefully I've helped address some of the questions you might have in regards to our 860 series dual component pneumatic guns, the combo trigger. If you have any further questions or are in need of any other information on this or anything else, please don't hesitate to call our customer service department. Thanks, and have a great day.